Good afternoon. My name is Larry Klayman. You know me as the founder of both Judicial Watch and now Freedom Watch. I'm currently the chairman and general counsel of Freedom Watch. I'm also a former U.S. Justice Department prosecutor. I ran for the U.S. Senate in Florida in 2003, and I formed Freedom Watch when I came out. Today I'm talking to you about the rule of law and the disrespect that our former president, Barack Hussein Obama, has for it. It's clear. I want you to read a column that I'm posting today in worldnetdaily.com, that's WND.com, which explains how former President Obama, who in his own words is a Muslim, that's his heart, that's where he is, has run from process servers in 5 lawsuits that I filed in the last few years, not wanting to be served with service of process. Now, process servers are licensed by a court. They have a right to make service of process. You can't impede them. If you do that, that's obstruction of justice. But President Obama, and now private citizen Obama, would rather spend his time raking in cash from Wall Street and other places, living in his palatial mansion as a one-percenter in Calorama, Washington, refuses to accept service of process on recent complaints that I filed in my own name and name of clients for him inciting violence with Black Lives Matter, Louis Farrakhan, head of the Nation of Islam, an anti-Semitic, anti-Christian Islamic group, Al Sharpton, and others. He refuses to accept service of process. And you can see from this article that I wrote, which is posted tonight at WND.com, we even have a video of him not accepting service from the process servers. In fact, the DC police and the Secret Service ran interference for him.
Good morning.
How you doing, sir?
Absolutely wonderfully blessed, and I hope you are too.
Good.
I have got a summons I'm supposed to be delivering to Barack Hussein Obama, or someone who can accept it on his behalf.
A summons?
Yes.
Do they know you're coming or not?
No. I don't. No. Is there a number that I can call for him? No, I didn't think so.
A summons. From whom?
It's from Larry Klayman, the United States District Court for the Central District of California.
Let's see that in a second. So when I call, I don't know what to tell them.
Okay.
So they're suing him.
Yeah.
For what?
I have no idea. I don't read them. I deliver them.
Sir, how are you doing?
Absolutely wonderfully blessed. And how are you doing?
I'm all right.
Tony Snesko.
Nice to meet you, Tony.
Got a summons for Mr. Obama, United States District Court.
Okay. So you work for the same-day processing service?
That's my company.
Okay. So what they'll do is they'll have a team come out that'll take a look at that handles stuff like this. So
Okay.
just kind of the new operating procedure. So as soon as they get here, they'll chat. They'll
Okay.
grab that from you, and then we'll be all set.
Are they on a location different than this one?
They're in the area. So
Yeah,
they'll be
okay. Gotcha.
All right. So,
So you're going to take care,
so
take it from
I will
me?
take it from you. The one thing I need, just because you're surveying, can I? Do you have your driver's license with you?
Yes.
May I see that, please?
Sure.
Thank you. I'm going to hold it right here.
Okay.
All right, sir.
Okay.
Thank you very
Could
much.
I get you to just put your name as the recipient there?
So I cannot sign for that.
Okay.
Unfortunately, but
Can I get your name then?
yes.
Okay.
So here, let me hand this back to you.
Okay, and let me give you the paperclip to put my card on that if you like.
Sure.
And Okay.
So it's Agent Bukin, B-U-K-I-N. but I'm not.
Right.
I don't have any kind of authority to accept this
Right.
or anything like that. So I will pass this on, and we can. I mean, if it's something that will require a signature, we can reach out to you here and
yes.
and sign. But
My cell phone is on there, and I'm ready and willing to come
so
back.
we're in, the gentleman wrote my name down as a recipient. I explained that I don't have any authority to accept legal documents
That's it.
per our policy. Okay, sir.
Now, it's clear that Obama would rather respect Sharia law than American law. It's clear that he's working with evildoers like George Soros, an anti-Semitic, self-hating Jew, Nazi collaborator in World War II, who's bent on destroying the vision of our founding fathers, Hillary Clinton loyalists, Bernie Sanders, and others. They're not just trying to bring down the Trump presidency, they're trying to destroy this country and then build it back in a socialist, atheist, pro-Islamic state. I honestly believe that. So take a look at this video because it shows you the disrespect that Obama has for our legal system. While he respects Sharia law and his holy Quran, he does not respect American law and our holy Bible, which says that people are to obey the rule of law as put down by not just our founding fathers, but the ancient Hebrews. So I want you to go pay attention to this. Go to freedomwatchusa.org. Contribute to our cause. We have lawsuits against Obama for his illegal use of spying when he was president, for his inciting violence against the police, against others, because of his Black Lives Matter attachment, claiming that there's racism out there in law enforcement when in fact it's his reverse racism that's kicking up the violence at places like Berkeley. And I might add, if the founding fathers had tried to sign the Declaration at Berkeley, they probably would have been killed by these protesters and we wouldn't have a country. Some of this sounds like it's tongue-in-cheek, but it's really not, because we are in a war with the left, and this left is bent on destroying the rest of us. And that's why we at Freedom Watch are doing what we can to bring about justice, to enforce the rule of law. We need your help. We need to wage a peaceful counter-revolution against this revolution being waged by the left. So go to freedomwatchusa.org. Contribute to our cause. We are your Justice Department. We're here for the American people. God bless you, God bless America, and God save America.